What happens if you eat 2 eggs every day for a month? Senior health. How does eating 2 eggs a day affect your body? Eggs, easy, cheap, and enjoyed by millions. They're a global morning staple, from fluffy omelets to flawlessly boiled eggs. Has anyone wondered what this humble food is doing to your body? Many people rely on eggs, but few realize their health benefits. Are they convenient protein sources? Is this everyday meal more than it seems? What if eating 2 eggs a day changed your body in ways you never imagined? Could it improve energy, sharpen your mind, or protect you from health risks? Does eating eggs daily have hidden risks? We're here to answer these long-debated questions. We'll discuss the wonderful benefits of eating 2 eggs a day, 3 of the finest methods to prepare eggs that most people don't know about, and the frequent egg blenders that could be limiting your nutrient intake in this video. Welcome to our channel. If you're new, before we discuss this fascinating topic, help each other flourish, please like and subscribe to avoid missing our videos. We're thrilled to help you start your health journey. I want to know you're watching. Type 1 in comments if this video resonates. If not, type 0. Leave your country in the comments. If you're watching, we want to hear from you. Let's begin. Daily 2 egg consumption boosts health. Nutritional powerhouse. First, we call eggs nature's perfect food for good reason. They are nutritious powerhouses packed with key components your body needs to function well. Their benefits stem from high-quality protein. Eggs include 6g of complete protein, which includes all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot create. Eggs are great for muscle regeneration, tissue growth, and bodily function. The benefits continue. Eggs are vitamin-rich too. Vitamin A helps sustain vision and the immune system. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is needed for calcium absorption and bone health, whereas vitamin B12 is needed for energy and red blood cell synthesis. Eggs are also high in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells. In terms of minerals, eggs excel. They are rich in selenium, an antioxidant that fights free radicals and boosts the immune system, and phosphorus, which strengthens bones and teeth. Omega-3 fatty acids in eggs improve heart health, inflammation reduction, and cognitive function. Eggs are rich in choline, a lesser-known but vital vitamin that supports brain memory and cellular function. Incredibly nutritious. Eggs are one of the most complete and diverse foods you can eat. Weight loss ally. Next, eggs may be your hidden weapon for weight loss or hunger control. Due to their high protein content, eggs keep you full for hours, making them a great weight management food. Satiety from protein reduces the need for unhealthy foods and overeating later in the day. Protein slows digestion and releases hormones like chocytoinine, which tells your brain you're full. Eggs for breakfast can set the tone for the day. Egg eaters consume fewer calories throughout the day than cereal or toast eaters, according to studies. Egg protein delivers long-lasting energy, stabilizes blood sugar, and prevents energy crashes that drive cravings for sweet or high-calorie foods. Moreover, 2 large eggs have just 140 to 160 calories. They provide protein, healthy fats, and critical elements to sustain your body while keeping your calorie consumption modest. Add eggs to your diet, especially in a healthy breakfast, to control appetite, reduce cravings, and assist weight reduction without feeling deprived. Eye protection. Next, eggs are great for your health and eyes. Egg yolks include lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect the eyes. These antioxidants are unusual because they accumulate in the retina, particularly the macula, which provides sharp center vision. Their natural shielding protects your eyes from damaging blue light from computer screens, sunlight, and other sources. Lutein and xanthan reduce the risk of AMD, a leading cause of vision loss in older persons, which is their biggest advantage. Regular ingestion of these antioxidants has been found to delay AMD progression and reduce its risk. These minerals also prevent cataracts, which cloud the eye lens and impede vision. The benefits continue. Eggs include vitamin A, another eye healthy ingredient. The cornea, the eye's outer layer, and rhodopsin, a retinal protein that lets you see in low light, require vitamin A. A vitamin A shortage can cause night blindness and other vision issues. Your eyes require nutrition to keep healthy and strong, so eating eggs can help prevent long-term vision problems. A simple yet efficient technique to care for your most crucial sense. Brain booster. Next, eggs are brain nourishment, providing nutrients for memory, focus, and cognition. Eggs are rich in choline, a brain-healthy vitamin. Acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates memory, emotion, and learning, is made from choline. Without enough choline, your brain may have trouble communicating between neurons, affecting your focus and memory. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline. With 125 milliliters per big egg, the daily recommended intake of choline is 425 mmol for women and 550 for men, so 2 eggs can meet most of your needs. Choline is needed for fetal brain development, making this crucial for pregnant mothers. It helps the baby's brain and spinal cord develop, ensuring cognitive health. In addition to choline, eggs include B vitamin,